Hello, today's learning lesson is lesson 4-5, and it is problem solving, writing to explain. You've learned how to explain your thinking about a problem. Today you'll learn how to write an explanation of how you solved a problem. The learning target: I can write an explanation of how to solve a problem. Here's a problem we talked about for a while this morning. Kay needs $25 to buy a bicycle helmet. She earns $9 each week babysitting. How long will it take Kay to earn the money she needs? You need to decide how to solve the problem, and you need to write an explanation of your thoughts using words, pictures, numbers, or symbols to explain. I knew my students would be frustrated by this lesson, and so I put a little cartoon of a boy in here. He says, "I don't like writing to explain. It's a lot of work. If I know how to find the answer, why do I need to explain how to find it?" I won't read this whole thing, but this is a quote I found from Pearson, the publisher of Envision Math textbooks, and it's talking to adults about why students need to be able to explain their answers in math. The boy listens to what she says and says, "Can you explain that in English, please?" On this slide, I make it a little simpler to understand. Basically, you need to be able to do more than just solve problems. You need to think about how other people solved problems and decide if they did it right or not. You need to understand the math rules, like the commutative property of multiplication, which can be used to help you. It's not enough to get the right answer. You have to understand why you have the right answer, and that way you'll be able to understand the tougher problems you'll get in the future. The boy says, "I see. For example, anyone can memorize the fact that 2 plus 2 equals 4. But if you don't understand that 2 plus 2 means you have 2 of something and you get 2 more, you're going to be stuck when you need to add 1 plus 3 or 4 plus 2 or anything else." And the publisher says, "Yes, we want you to be a great mathematician, not just a good memorizer." Here's the problem again that we talked about, and we talked about a good explanation needs to be correct, simple, complete, and easy to understand. Here's some example ones that I wrote that are similar to explanations I've seen from students. Here's one example explanation. To find out how long it will take Kay to earn the money she needs, they say add 9 till you get 25. Which of these bullet points does that complete? Is it a correct answer? Is it a simple answer? Is it a complete answer? Is it easy to understand? I thought it was simple, but none of the others. This person says you can solve this problem by skip counting. That's what I did, and I got it right, $25. We said simple, but not correct, complete, or easy to understand. This person says, you want to know how much she has to save to get $25. She only gets $9 each week, so it will take her a long time. Maybe she'll spend the money on candy instead. Multiplying is like adding over and over. She has to babysit. Add 9, 3. Which of those does it fill in the green? We said it was correct because she did get 3. This person did get 3 as their final answer, but it was not simple, it was not complete, and it was definitely not easy to understand. Here's another one we thought was correct and simple, putting in a table. This person added a little bit to their table. I filled in the table by skip counting by 9s. Kay will earn $27 by week 3. The helmet costs $25. 27 is greater than 25, so she can buy it after 3 weeks. Correct, simple, complete, and easy to understand. Here's another one. You can read it to yourself. Correct, simple, complete, and easy to understand. We talked about what we would say to explain, and then we did some practice problems. We looked at some of the problems in the book, and that was it for today.